Garden weeding has always been a difficult and tedious chore that no one enjoys. But Skidger, the wicked weeder, changes that. Dare we say weeding is now fun and easy. As a young girl, Gloria Schultz helped in her family's garden with countless hours of weeding. She found that a mason jar ring, bent to a point, worked for her. From this child's imagination, the Skidger weeder was born, refined, and developed into what it is today, a wicked weeder. And at the Ace Hardware New Product Show in Atlanta, Georgia, the Skidger won first place. The Skidger's unique, heart-shaped, patented design includes an ultra-strong steel blade that is permanently sharpened inside and out. By either pushing or pulling, the Skidger is fast and powerful at clearing unwanted weeds from flower beds, gardens, or any large area. The Skidger moves with ease and precision among garden foliage, leaving the good and eliminating the bad. The durable, narrow tip of the Skidger also has many other uses. Makes short work of weeds coming up from under bark or gravel. Removes annoying weeds from hard-to-reach areas. Extracts weeds from around and beneath drip systems. Surgically removes stubborn, overgrown grasses or weeds in the lawn or ground cover. Eliminates weeds from cracks and joints in sidewalks. Reaches unwanted weeds or grasses growing underneath fences and gates. Creates a perfect furrow for planting seeds or as a pathway for irrigation water. The Skidger's ergonomically designed handle has 2 grips for comfort in using the tool. The top grip is durably padded to be easy on the hands, and the center grip is slip-resistant to make sure all the power of the user is transferred directly to the tip of the tool. The Skidger is the new modern solution to herbicide and pesticide-free weed control. This wicked weeder will rid your garden of obnoxious weeds without causing any harm to the environment or bees. So stop chopping at annoying weeds and renew your passion for gardening. You will love this wicked tool. Your contribution will help get this award-winning tool into stores, nurseries, and gardens everywhere. Help us start the seed that will grow throughout the world.